What's up, guys? Let me know when you can see me. How is everybody feeling? Are we scared? Are we pretty content with the market? What's going on? Oh, I need to switch this over to the charts, don't I? There we go. Sorry about that. Hopefully you can see the... What's up? How you guys doing, man? Major fear in the market, huh? Everybody's tripping. What's up, TX? What's up, infamous puppet? What's happening, PA Jailer? How you guys doing today, man? Everybody's still tripping, getting paranoid, calling for them crazy lows, right? Gonna stay on here probably for the close. We're having a cookout. I took this time out for you guys to get on here and check it out. Michael Gerling said he's beyond scared, honestly. Unison wants $2,500 Bitcoin. I highly doubt it. The sky is falling. Man, people are tripping. Although the bigger time frame charts look kind of scary, but I'm still nothing to fear here, man. That weekly candle looks kind of crazy, right? What about the monthly? Monthly still looks good. What's going on, Alan? Buy the fear, not financial advice. K Jake. Hey, David. So, let's take a little vote real quick. Hit 1 if you think we're going to get below 10,000. Hit 2 if you don't think we're going to go below 10,000. Pullbacks are good, man. I do want to check this out, though. We are getting support right here on this RSI falling channel. 2. Hey, Julio. Actually, the weekly isn't too bad. I'll go through and show you some candles like that. Well, we got one right here you can just look at. Look what happened after this one. You know, it's more upside. It's not a bad candle, regardless what anybody says. We got a few scared people in here, I guess. I don't know shit. I'm riding, Miss Archie. So we got mixed feelings, just like the market. The market's mixed all over the place. Guys, I see a bunch of people trying to short here. A bunch. Matter of fact, let's take a look at the shorts real quick, just to get an idea. Let's see. Let's do it on the... We'll open up that blank. All right, so let's look at the Bitcoin shorts. We'll look on Bitfinex. Ooh, shorts went way down. So obviously, look at the longs. Longs are down too. It actually, well, this is the 4 hour. Let's look at the daily. What do you think's gonna happen now? Let's go into the hourly chart real quick. Hold on a second, guys. My phone keeps going off and I forgot to shut it off. Thing drives me nuts sometimes. Sorry about that, guys. Damn it. All right. Anyways, the candle is turning back up and we're getting back above this trend line now. Close above this trend line will be beautiful. As you can see, this, we still have a lower target here, guys, which is the top. Would be testing the top of this channel again that we broke out of here. Right here, we're on the 10.5. So that's still in the cards. If we drop below then we would be looking obviously at lower lows, 8,800 or so. But like I said, I don't see it. I'm feeling pretty good about where we're at right now, guys. I have been. Yeah, just a bunch of, you know, everybody's calling for these crazy lows now, and here we go again with all the bull crap. I don't know, man. I guess watch who you choose, and good luck with it, man. What's 21-month MA 10 to 200? I don't understand your question there, Vincent. Jim Green says sell, so buy. Here we go, Jim and Joe going at it again. Marcus, if we are in true multi-year bull market, and then all will be well. Look at Tether market cap. It's at an all-time high. Bitcoin is going up. That's where I'm from at Vincent. Oh my. Savvy, will I speak later about Link? I know about Chainlink. No, I'm not even gonna. I don't know anything about it, honestly. Like I said, guys, for that stuff, I guess, you know, go to whoever's watching it. I don't know much about it. All I really focus on is Bitcoin and Litecoin. You guys know that. I'll look at other coins here and there. You know, maybe I'll pull up Link and just look at it, I guess. But I kind of want to see how this daily, weekly, and monthly closes here and see what it's looking like. If this EMA crosses the 200 right here, if our 21 EMA crosses the 200 here, we may have that other shot down to around the 10.5 area. But remember, guys, and I'll tell you guys, I have my stops. I entered some more trades. I have my stops at 10.2 or at 10.1. I'm sorry. So like I said earlier today, we could get a wick down here, a stop hunt, trying to get everybody. They know there's a bunch of stops right under this. So keep that in mind. But for the most part, and sorry, I'm not reading the chat right this minute. So if you ask something, you can ask it again in a minute. But I do want to focus on how this looks here. Obviously, we're getting support on the bottom of this channel again. Now, is it possible we break through? It's definitely possible. But it's looking like this wants to hold. If it does break through, it'll probably be a quick wick. And it may be at the beginning of the day. So, anyways, all right, let's get into the chat room and see what's up going on. What's up with the Litecoin? It's driving me crazy. Litecoin, the same thing. I said we had a good chance of coming down to test this. We really never tested this trend line here, so we definitely still have a chance. If we do, it's going to be around the 108 to 109 range. But again, guys, we don't have to. There's nothing that says we have to go down there. That was kind of a bull trap right there. Sure, that trapped a lot of people up there. Clone this real quick. See what happens there. Kind of watch these trend lines. But like I said in this morning's video, you know, we could definitely, I don't see this trend line breaking, guys. If we do, then we know our targets from there. Thanks, Fat Boy Pup. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for the tip. All right, Litecoin price $2. Yeah. Right. Hello, do you have any technical prediction to tonight Bitcoin value? It's a matter of watching the charts, guys. That's what it's all about. That's what we're doing here. Thanks, Mike. Appreciate it, man. You guys are just putting dollars out there, not asking no questions, huh? Why do most people trade and take profits? Fib levels, let's say 6.818. The Fibonacci levels, that's when a lot of people are trading a certain way, that's you know, when a lot of eyes are on the same areas, that's how it works. The same with the moving averages, you know, for different time frames, people use different moving averages. That's where people trade at. LITECOIN's a great buy. I'm a newbie, technical analysis, trying to earning just 1 or 2% daily, but today is hard. Yeah, today is hard, and reason being is because I can't imagine shorting this market right now. Cannot imagine it. Everything is bullish as hell. I know everybody's calling for this big correction, but I just don't see it, guys. I mean, I see the one we have, and we did the measurement off of the gold chart this morning. And like I said, that got us down to that 10.5 range, and it's possible we go there. But do we have to go? Are we going much further? Like I said, if we see the 10.2, that's going to be a stop loss, getting everybody stops under this wick, and I believe it would shoot straight up after that. It would be a pretty big run, but we'll have to wait and see. Thanks again, Fat Boy Pup. It's better to hold BTC or LTC short term. That's all personal decision, man. We still be according to the gold chart if it drops. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we look at the gold chart compared to where we're at now. I mean, I don't think we're gonna drop, honestly. If you look at this chart, look at where we're sitting on here, and look where we bounced. Just to give you an idea. That's the gold chart on the daily that we've been watching with that trend line. We're right on the trend line, bouncing on it now. Yeah, it looks good to me. Like I said, if we do come down, we have the 21 EMA right there. That is at 10.3. So again, if we come down here, I think it would be a stop hunt from everybody having their stops down here. But it's actually looking like this trend line is going to hold, guys. The YouTubers are finally learning bearish. The trend is so quickly forgotten. So you're saying so Dustin, you're saying we're bearish? We're going down? Watch 1044. That's the 1618 fib extension of the A and B waves. That could be the end of wave C. Just before the dump, all exchanges froze. Interesting. Yeah, like I had said in a few videos before, you know, we could end up being here for a while, and I'll show you. Whoops, let me find where I'm at. We could end up being here for a while, and it could be, you know, something like this forming. Just line this up a little bit. But yeah, we could be forming something like this, could be forming a bull flag. You know, who knows? Until we get more data, we really can't tell what it's going to form. But as of right now, I really just want to watch this area. Actually, I'm going to go back over to this chart. I like it better. Get that. That was my target from this morning, the first one, obviously, and then I still have the one below it here. Going to the 1 hour real quick just to get better price action. See what happens. This will be interesting. We do have room to come down, drop again, and retest this trend line. But I'm going to play with this for a little bit, guys, and kind of look at some other scenarios. Let me clone this, bring it down. Play with that for a minute. Something to look at. Now do we form another one going this way? This again, this is just a 1 hour, so I'm just playing around, guys. You can kind of see what I do when I'm playing around in here. Thanks, Tyler. Appreciate the tip, man. So basically, you guys are just watching me right now play with this. I'll get more active with the chat here in a minute. Just kind of playing around with the charts. I'm gonna make these different colors. This one white. All right. Sorry for the dead time, guys. I'm just, like I said, I'm just playing with the charts. Let's look for some divergence. And we have, thanks, Michael. One with the message, thank you for all the work you do. Would you ever cover XRP or have any thought about it? It's a big hit or miss for people. Yeah, I don't, you know, I don't really care. If people are making money off it, that's great. The XRP, do I believe in it? I believe it'll work for bankers. But do I believe in it? I don't think it's what crypto's about, to be honest. I want to look at the 4 hour. I think that's more important right now. The RSI here. I got the tips flowing. Thanks, fat boy. Appreciate it, man. I thank all you guys for the tips, man. It's really appreciated. So anyways, yeah, this is really important spot right here, especially on the 4 hour. See if we pop back up in this. We've got 15 minutes. Let's see what happens. If it closes down outside of this, we might do our next drop, which would be to that 10.5 range. And it looks like we might be doing it. So let's... Yeah, guys, don't forget to hit the likes, man. That really helps the channel out big time. I really appreciate it. Let's see if we're headed down towards that 10.5 now. See if that holds. If not, like I said, I'd be looking at the, 10.2 area. Again, I have my stops at 10.1. Thanks, David. Am I still holding Bitcoin? Did you say your stop loss is at 10.1? Yeah, that's for my leverage trade. My Bitcoin and my Litecoin I'm holding. I don't trade them. All I do is I trade Bitcoin leverage on Kraken. I do 5 times leverage. That's all I do. Thanks, Mike. Yeah, if you're new here or whatever, I hold all my coins. I trade leverage. I trade Bitcoin for leverage, and I just use my profits to buy more coins, and I hold my coins. I'm truly believe we're in a parabolic bear market, and I'm going to run this to the top. Savvy drinking banker tears and interest rates on the rocks. I barely get to watch, so I always miss the XRP talk. Legend has it, Crypto Savvy's a legend. Thanks, Crypto Jeremy. Check out Crypto Jeremy's channel. He does news. Check it out when you get a chance. I notice he gets on there live sometimes when there's big moves trying to happen, but he covers the news. He gives me shout outs all the time. I really appreciate it, man. Keep up the good work. It gets rough out there on YouTube. So yeah, I do have my stop losses at 10.1. Like I said, I if it goes below this old low here at, or was that at 10.295, I believe it's just going to be a stop hunt. You're right, Bitsbank. I don't drink. I did plenty of that when I was younger. What's up, Holly? Rich guys rigging the market down to get more. How long till close? 10 minutes. All right, let's see if this trend line holds. We're getting to down to the wire. What is the benefit of just buying Bitcoin on the Cash App? It's cheaper than buying on Coinbase, I guess. How to buy a large amount of Bitcoin fast without a fee. Find somebody selling it, buy it direct. What's up, Joe? Do we get a bounce at 10.5? I believe so, if we get down to there. But like I said, guys, I see that trend line they're holding. That's a powerful trend line, man. And if it follows our little experiment right here. What's up, crazy Greek freak? I'm gonna kind of zoom in here. Am I going to the 4 hour? The market is cycles. Please understand that we are in the best place to be in. Buy and hold. Infamous puppet. Yep, they see our stop losses on the exchanges. Yeah, the exchanges go down and get the stop losses so they can get more liquidity. That's how they make money, man. Got a cluttered desk here, sorry. Most guys are saying drop to 98.50. Most guys are saying that because one guy said it and the rest are copying. The same thing with this, you know, 7,800 or whatever. I swear them guys don't do their own analysis. That's why mine is always different. I do my own. I don't pay attention to what everybody else is screaming and crying about. Most guys are saying 98.50. Crypto looking bearish. That's the best time to buy. You can't see me? Should be able to see me. Yeah, you can see me. Stopped out at 121. Should I start to scale back in? That's all. That's your decision, man. What do you think? You guys know what I think. You definitely know what I think. I got my top loss. I was stopped out at 121. Agreed. I still say you won't be able to BTC after July. You won't be able to BTC after July. I don't understand that. I don't think we're going to see a Bitcoin below $10,000 ever again. I will say that still right now. But that's my opinion, guys. Do not trade off my opinion. I could be wrong, just like the next guy. Rest in peace, crypto until November. LTC headed to 80. Nah, I don't think so, man. Really don't think so. 100 maybe. I doubt it, but maybe. See something. 100's a possibility, I guess, but I'd like I said, it'd be a wick. I don't see us breaking this trend line, guys. Max, bold prediction. I like it. Just telling you what my thoughts and views are, man. And that's where I'm at with it. The RSI is breaking through that trend line again. Going to 1 hour again. Yeah, it looks like we're going to come down and touch this trend line here, which would probably be that 10.5 range. And that might not happen until our next daily candle might start, or next hour in the next day, and come down, dip into here, and go back up. Might get a little wick just below 10.518 target. Yeah, that again, guys. These targets aren't exact. They're just, you know, in the area that I see it. Double bottom on 4 hour chart, right? You talking about the RSI? Life is auto. Go big or go home. People are tripping. There's key areas to watch, guys. It's not that scary, man. I mean, we were expecting this. So I bought 500 worth of BTC on Robinhood app about 3 weeks ago. What should I do? Keep it or sell it? You should do what you feel like is right. You got to do your own due diligence and your own research, man. I don't think you actually hold the true Bitcoin when you buy on Robinhood. I think that's just paper trade. Buying opportunity at 10.3, possible. We'll see. We will see pretty shortly. I don't even trade. This is just very interesting to watch. Yours and other guys' feeds, uploads, not to be mentioned. Crying like Keith Sweat, Miss Archie says. What if whales are dumping? Wouldn't be best to sell everything and the stop losses? People get so paranoid about this market, man. The rumors, the rumor mills in crypto are amazing. Here we go. Let's see how low we go. I believe weekly looks terrible. Look at the weekly real quick. Why does that look terrible? Look at this candle here and what happened after that. Let's see, we'll find one here. Yeah. Still not worried about it, guys. Everything is paper trade. BTC isn't physical. I have mine. I mean, it's not physical, but I have my keys. Nobody else can touch them. Nobody else has control over them. They're not in nobody else's system. How about sharing those t-shirts too? Yeah, this one's, I survived the Bitcoin crash 20 minutes ago. Or the great Bitcoin crash 20 minutes ago. I just turned my sound off on my phone. It's still going off. The hell? Sorry guys. What's going on with this? So many people saying 8K. Guys, everybody thinks it's going down. I doubt it. Highly. We've went through the same situation I don't know how many freaking times, man. And it always ends up the same. Thanks, Bits. Next stop, 24K, then we rock it. I am not tech savvy, you're right, Crazy, at all. I am not tech savvy. And it's still going off. What the hell is going on? That's what my phone does all day, by the way, guys, between work and everything else. Cup and handle at 24. Definite possibility. That'd be sweet, man. If everyone thinks it's going down, it's going up. Pretty much, man. I do think we're going to open this next one and come down and probably touch our 5.8. I could be wrong, but I really think we're probably going to come down and test this. Sent you 0.814 Litecoin. Thanks, man. Appreciate it, Charles. Good looking out, man. Yeah, by the way, guys, don't forget to give the thumbs up, and there are tip jars below the video in the description. I have a Litecoin address and a Bitcoin address down there. No, don't feel obligated, but if this has helped you out and you've made some money, I would appreciate the tips. But like I said, it's not necessary, guys. When everybody sells off, it's just about time the whales come and just buy everything off. The whales and the people with big money love times like this where everybody's calling for 8,000, 7,000. Everybody, you look at every thumbnail that everybody just eats that up and presses it and presses it. Gets everybody that's new scared to sell into them. That is what I believe goes on. Cindy, glad you found me too. I need a Digibyte wallet. I've heard that a few times. Can't you just shift it or whatever? Did I just say that is when I drop back to 5,000? No. Really like your momentum? Too bad it will fall. Follow me. The real crypto time traveler. Really? Oh, really? Really like your momentum. Too bad it will fall. Come on. Whatever, man. Lots of trickery. Sorry if you guys can hear that. I'm chewing ice. It's kind of warm in here. So we opened up underneath that little trend line I put there. Actually, yeah. From Australia here. Thanks for sharing your knowledge, bro. Thanks for tuning in, man. I appreciate it. The channel's been doing awesome. I mean, we've grown quite a bit in the last I want to give Bitcoin Ben a shout out too, man. He gave me a shout out the other day. I really appreciate it, man. That's pretty humbling. He's got a lot of followers, man. He's a good guy. He's one of the guys that actually has passion for crypto. That's how I feel I am. It's not just in it to make money off of other people, and you know, he's actually in it for what it is. I love that about him. What's in the cup? Money. No, this is ice water, man. Thanks, Mongol. Appreciate it, man. Hey, everybody, don't forget we got a free Discord. If you're not in our Discord, the link's below all my videos. Click on the link, totally free. Awesome community in there. I think we hit 1,000 members today in there, so there's always somebody in there talking. People help each other out. I try to make it in there as much as I can. Pop in every once in a while. Feel I've gotten to know some people in there pretty good. Yeah, it's just a great community. My friends, I don't there, but here in Brazil, Bitcoin is becoming fever. Everybody, news just talk about it, and the banks are doing everything to block the exchange accounts. I hope it holds and goes up from here. I bought a little at 11.4 and 12.1. I still got a long in at 12. I'm not worried about it. Let's see if we get to 10.5. We drink Baker's tears. Bitcoin Ben's a stud. Yeah, I like him, man. He's a good dude. He's got a good heart, you can tell. What state am I in? I am in the northern United States. Bitcoin Ben's a bad mother plucker. Bitsbank said, sign up, guys. It's a wonderful community. That's to the Discord. Again, I won't ever ask anybody for money or try to sell you any courses or anything like that. Everything I do, my videos, it's all free. I'm putting it out there. I want people to, you know, I want people to benefit from it. that makes me feel good knowing people. You know, I've heard some stories. People have talked to me personally over emails and instant messages and stuff, and told me a little about their story and how I helped them, and that makes me feel good. From Pennsylvania, thanks for calming me down. Where do you think this is gonna go? That's what we're talking about. I'm looking for a bounce off of this trend line around 10.5, right in this area. But like I said, it's possible that we come down. I have my stops at 10.1, so if we go lower than 10.1, then we're probably headed down to the 9.6 to the 8.7, but I don't see it happening. I do believe we're going to hold in this area. State of parabolic eruption. Am I on Twitter? Yeah, my Twitter handle's right down. It's Crypto Savy 1. It's right. It should be right down in the box down here. Dang, R. Jenkins. My dad's name is Randy Jenkins. Arizona. What's up, David from Arizona? I'm sure it will hit 10.5. I'm pretty sure it will go to about 10.2. It could. Like I said, we could hit the 10.2, which would be, you know, I would think that would be a stop hunt. Maybe even a little lower. I think it'd be a stop hunt and then shoot back up, make people jump back in. Jack just bought another Bitcoin at 11K. I am 42. I'll be 43 this month. Buy at 10.4, sell at 11. Ride the new trend. 55 at last check. Year-end prediction: BTC 4,600, BAC $46. Screenshot this. Buy bank, short crypto until 2020. Nick Swaz must be a pro. That's some crazy shit call there, I think. What exchange do you use mostly? Kraken. For the Kraken's what I use mostly because I do my swing trades there. What's up, Israel? What is the difference between Cash App and Coinbase? Talk about that in the Discord. If you remember the Discord, if you're not, join it. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, guys. Helps the channel out, helps me out. Looks like we got a little bounce at 10.6. Litecoin's still hovering around the 121. Anyone notice why BTC fee is 4 sats at the moment? What platform do you trade on, Savvy? Anyone use TradeStation? No, I don't use TradeStation. I use Kraken, and I do a little bit of trading on Prime XBT. There's a link to that in the description below the video, but that's 100 times leverage. Super dangerous if you're going to do it. Just, you know, do small amounts. It's more or less gambling if you put it in there in your trading account. You can't withdraw the 20%, but you can keep the gains off of it. Bought my Ledger Nano X today. Can't wait for it. Sweet. Glad I found your channel since I have my sleep may have decreased as I'm in the UK. Bitcoin Ben only has Digibyte. Yeah. The Discord link's in the description. Click the description below the video, Trenton, and some links will come down. You'll have my tip jars and some other links down in there. There's a Ledger link down there. You can get Ledger. That helps channel out. They give me a little bonus if people use my link. There's also Brave browser link down there, Coinbase link. If you start a Coinbase account, they give you an extra, I think it's $10 worth of crypto. And if there's a ABRA link down there, I think you get 25 bucks worth of Bitcoin if you put in 100 or more. And like I said, there's a Prime XBT link, 100 times leverage exchange, guys. If you're new to trading, I definitely don't suggest it, unless you want to just put a small amount in there and play with it. Greetings from South African and Philippines. Did we close inside the channel on your chart? Well, there really wasn't a channel. We're in this big channel still. Yeah, we didn't break this trend line that we broke out of over here. Thanks, Joe. Appreciate the tip, man. But no, we're still up over it. 10.5 would be the bottom of that right now, and it goes up as we go along. $10 worth of Bitcoin will be 1K in the near future. Possible in 10, 15 years, maybe. Yeah, maybe less. Who knows? I don't know. I just see a lot of fear here. A lot of people selling and people eating it up, man. The big boys eating up the fear. Got some hidden bullish divergence there. What's up, Ace from Singapore? Yeah, we definitely got some hidden bullish divergence there. As you can see, we have a lower low, or a low. We have a low here, a lower lower here on the RSI, and then we go up here. And we have a low here and a higher low in the price action. That's hidden bullish divergence, guys. Thanks, Boston. What's up, man? Back at you, bro. Appreciate the tip, brother. I bought where fear is near. Smart man. 1 million by 2020. McAfee. However the hell you say his name. Trying to find in the Discord where you talk about Cash App versus Coinbase. Yeah, you just ask somebody in there, they'll help you. I just didn't want to go through it all in the chat. I practice selling and trading on paper, and I think I'm getting pretty good. Might be ready for the field in a month or two. Yeah, just be careful. And when you do actually start trading, you don't have to trade big amounts, man. Get comfortable. Just don't do crazy stuff. Get some t-shirts made quoted. What would Savy do? Good idea, man. That's funny. Joe Turney. If I'm saying your name wrong, I'm sorry, but he said I'm not afraid. Would you convert LTC into BTC? I don't trade like that, man. I'm holding both. I'm just trading Bitcoin on leverage. That's it. Where do I think Bitcoin's headed? To the moon. Call me Moon Boy. No, I'm just joking. If you haven't seen my video, I stick with it. I think you know, in the short term, it all depends. Let's look at the daily real quick. You can see the daily. If that just rode right back up like that, that would be beautiful. That would be super bullish. It's actually looking pretty good on the RSI though. Got a nice bounce off of this top trend line. To everyone losing their shit over current BTC prices, welcome to Bitcoin, right? And most of the people losing their shit are just seeing those thumbnails calling crazy freaking lows, man. It's money. I spend mine on more Bitcoin. We spend your money. Yeah, that is actually a good way to start out a daily candle. I like that. See if we can get back above this trend line. If not, I still think it's possible we go down to that 10.5 area. Like I said, possible stop hunt down to the 10.2. We'll see. Crazy how fast sentiment can change when direction changes. You know, it's weird, man. I've not changed my sentiment since December at all. Best 2 consecutive 5-minute candles in several days. Bullish. Can anybody send me 0.1? I really need it. Really? Looks like Tone Vase might be right. About what? Silver. How much do I own? Enough. I own 0.000001 Bitcoin and 0.01 Litecoin. They're trying to push through that. Litecoin's doing the same thing on this trend line. I played in penny stocks before this a little bit. I got into crypto in 2017. There wasn't nobody playing in the penny stocks no more. It seemed like they all came over to crypto. Tone Vase is in the woods with his bear family. I never seen if that guy answered me. He said he thought Tone Vase was right, and I was asking about what, but he never said anything. Thanks, appreciate it. McCallis, I don't know how to say your name. Hope I didn't say it wrong, but thanks for the compliment on the hat. You own 2 pennies and a nickel. You're set. If you put my money with your money, we'll have a quarter. Make the dog. I actually minted Bitcoin when it started, and I could not remember how to get back to them after the computer crashed. Ouch, you mined it. That sucks. I've heard that happen to a lot of people. Who else here is Mexican and in crypto? When did I turn bullish on crypto? I was actually bullish at the 6K right before the drop. I didn't think that was gonna drop. But when we went down and the measured move off of the wedge was obviously right there, and I got super bullish. I think I started making videos like the day of the crash. Savy always wearing Mac Daddy shirts. He said the market's going bearish. Tone Vase has called so many the market's going bearish calls all freaking year, man. Unsubscribe. Savvy, if we hit a low, then do we spring bounce up to new area? I mean 10.5 or 10.2. Then we hear 72 is the absolute lowest. LOL, I think last I heard Tone Vase said we haven't hit bottom yet. Don't quote me on that. I don't like that dude. Send me your computer, I'll take care of it. I bet you will, Miss Archie. I think I might be the only Mexican guy in cryptocurrency in California. Nah, there's more. I got another buddy. He's not in here. He's in our he might be in here. He's in our Discord. Tone said the price was going way down. Tone said the price was going way down when we were at 3,000. Tone said the price was going way down when we were at 5,000. Tone said the price was going way down when we were at 6,000. Tone said the price was going way down when we were at 7,000. Tone said the price was going way down when we hit 10,000. Should I go on? They probably would still be there. Do you still have the computer? Randy said COINBASE might be getting paid to spread his banker or spread it for the banker buddies. I made a video on that, and if you get on my YouTube channel, open the channel page, it's the one that pops up by itself with me sitting in my truck, and it talks about that, the hyperwave bullshit and getting the influential people together to be calling for stupid lows like 1,000. So check that out if you get a second. It's pretty interesting. That's my theory on what that was all about. I did answer your question. Tone said the price was going way down. I got you, Silver. He says that every $1,000. You see 93. Anyone else seeing this? Are you charting it and seeing 93, or are you just seeing 93 pop up in the air? That sucks, Mick. Oh, too bad you don't know where it is. How many Bitcoin do you think we're on it, Mick? BTC halving next year. Yep, like I said, guys, I think we're going to stay in that channel. I just don't see that breaking. People post so many random prices out of the air. Right, Scotty? It's like, what the hell? They embed that shit in your mind when you're going through YouTube videos, and all you see is the same numbers, the 77, 92, 8,000, 8,600. It's all a bunch of guesses, man. And yeah, I'm not even going to get into it. Just joined. Glad to be here, Savvy. Thanks, Brian. Glad to have you, man. Probably Mika Satoshi. Did he say how many was on there? I missed it. I can't scroll because I'll end up screwing it up. This is my wife's computer. It's touchy. So, Shane, found your channel last week. Subscribed instantly. Love your no crap approach. Us Aussies have a sharp bullshit radar. Bam. Glad to have you, Shane. No need to go on. You made your point quite sufficiently. You know, learning from 17, if Bitcoin was crashing, it would have already. Excuse me. What are the sevens for? ABC and BTC this weekend looks like gold's ABC June 2006. Gold's 2006. Right here. Yeah, that's exactly what I was saying. This is exactly what I've been saying. That I think we're right here. Take it easy, Bagster. Yeah, I was getting into this and I forgot what I was doing. Too many people were talking. Yeah, look at the similarities there, guys. It's astonishing. Let me get this out of the way. Do you see that? It's almost perfect. My take on Chainlink, I really can't say, Silver. You know what? My experience with seeing coins pump like that is as soon as Bitcoin starts its next rally, that coin will dump hard. Henry, there's the other one somebody was asking about. What's up, Henry? Please show me the channel you're talking about. What do you mean? What channel? It's this. If you're talking about the Discord, it's in the link below the video. Hit the description, and some links will drop down. There's a Discord link in there. Time is at 8:30. At bare minimum, how much BTC should one hold? Like everybody said, as much as you can. I don't know. I guess you could be all right in the future with 1 Bitcoin, depending on where it goes. I've never done anything with crypto but mine all those years ago. Damn, that sucks, man. Check this real quick. Longs are going way down. Shorts are way down. One BTC in my opinion. Yeah, I think you'd probably be all right with 1 Bitcoin if you hold it. Again, it's all speculation, man, but I truly believe in it. Yeah, look, I'm gonna look at this real quick. I'm gonna try to get it more in the area that we're in. If you guys take a good look at that, it matches up pretty nicely with gold. That's amazing. Actually, come down a little bit. It's more like that. Whoops. Yeah, it blows my mind. If that plays out, it's gonna be awesome. Demand gonna get stronger in a few hours, I think. 1 is enough. Cheers and to the moon. So what's up? What are you guys thinking? You think we're all right here? I do. I've never thought we weren't. We could go on. Let's look at something real quick. Let's look up. Just look at some Bitcoin videos. Type it in and see what everybody's calling for. 120 million. $4,000 Bitcoin. Zombie's saying on his channel. These guys, that's all clickbait, guys. Bitcoin closing bullish or bearish. That wasn't clickbaity. Uptrend over. Has Bitcoin truly ran out of gas? This dude just copies. He rides Kirby's coattail. See what else we're seeing. Is Bitcoin going to crash? Oh yeah, just a bunch of ridiculous. This dude keeps jumping on like every 10 minutes saying it's the big move's coming, jumping on live and stays on for 2 hours waiting for it. No big move, and then he gets on 2 hours later. There we go. Bitcoin 20,000 in a few days. That's more possible than a lot of this stuff. There's my best friend. All right, let me get out of here. Get that off there. But anyways, yeah, I think it pretty much just made this same move, guys. It pretty much looks like it. Huge gold bull. I think we're good now since I bought more Litecoin. Hey, we're going to the moon now. Keep in mind, Litecoin could still come down and touch this bottom trend line here. Like I said, doesn't have to. We could be good right where we're at, but keep that in mind. And Bitcoin, same thing. We could still be coming down to test this top of this channel here that we broke out of, testing that for support, and then continuing up from there. Just when I'm about to jump out the window, I put you on Therapist Savvy. Mia Wallace, how's it going, Savvy? New to the channel, but I see you at the top, my friend. Glad to have you, man. My channel should have been Common Sense Crypto. Maybe I'll change it. Can't see the resemblance. You can't see the resemblance of BTC with gold. Here, let me show you real quick. Go into the daily. I'll show you the resemblance real quick. You're probably looking at the wrong end, like Tone Vase. Yeah, put this here. This. Here's the resemblance. I'll show you right now. That's the resemblance of Bitcoin to gold. Can you see it? Remember I said I sold earlier today back with more coins? Yeah, that's for people. If you got time to do it that way, good for you. I just don't have time, man. That's why I do just the longer trades. Like I said, I'm down in this trade. I'm still in a long from 12, but I have laddered some more longs in on the way down here. The clone of gold. It's digital gold, man. Tone is an a-hole. Yes, he is. I really like that chart. Me too, man. The wedge or zone or channel, please show the area where you say we will not pass or break out of it. Right here. This line right here. This trend line. Right here. This trend line is holding. Right there. We had two little peaks down. Look at gold. Zoom into the same trend line. I explain this every day on my videos, guys. Same thing. Right here, same line. Same move, same everything. Pattern is a pattern, guys. Let me go into that for you. Boom. Same move. Same move. Do you see it? If not, I don't know what to tell you. It is safe to keep crypto in Coinbase wallet. Is it safe? It's probably one of the safer exchanges, I guess, but anybody can go bankrupt, right? And if you don't have your keys, it's not truly your crypto. So I thought about that, and I don't know exactly how that would work, but let's say Coinbase, you know, you had your coins on Coinbase, and they went bankrupt, and you went through court for years to get your money back. You would probably just get your money back, not your Bitcoin, and what the Bitcoin would be worth at that time. That's what scares me about that. That's why I keep my crypto on a hard wallet. Gold must follow something now. Gold's going to follow Bitcoin because according to the chart, Bitcoin will surpass gold probably next year if this plays out like this. I mean, if you look at the gold chart, let's see, and kind of time frame. The time frame is going to be hard to judge but if we take a look at it, whoops, let me go in daily. I mean, we could take a guess and see. Again, guys, this is all theory, but I'm pretty confident in it. It's just too much of a coincidence. Keep it there. Yeah, so right about there. So if we looked, it would be around April of next year. We would be where gold is at now, and then probably start taking off ahead of gold. Maybe Bitcoin will lead the way to gold. How do you move your Coinbase coins on a hard wallet, Savvy? When you get a hard wallet, you get an address, and you get a seed key, which is 24 words on your ledger. You got to write that down, keep it in case you was to lose your ledger. You could still get your coins, and you just send it like you're sending it from any other wallet, from one wallet to another. Just put the address in, and I suggest if you're sending a large amount over, start out with a little bit. Make sure you do it right the first time. Minute amount. China's waking up and buying. BTC gonna catch up to gold, and they're gonna move together. I don't know about that. I think Bitcoin might lead the way for a little while. Tell us exactly where we are with the gold. I just went through that. If we look right here at this move that we're making right there, and then the gold, we're right here. Bitcoin, we're right here. Same deal. We came down to test this. Test that line for support, and we got support. We're back above it now. Sorry guys, going back and forth here. But yeah, I do believe that's going to hold. And if we look at gold, it held for gold. Look at something. You're all right. Emery. It's all good. Yeah. It's safe to keep your crypto in Coinbase wallet. I mean, it's not going to go bankrupt anytime soon, I don't think. If ever. That's just something that could happen. That's why I feel you're better with your own ledger or your own hard wallet, whichever one you may choose. Can you leverage trade on Kraken for a long trade? Yeah, you can leverage long and short on Kraken. Crypto hasn't even had the 100th monkey effect yet. What if it does? Watch out. All right, guys, so we've seen the close. We know what we're looking at. Like I said, 10.5 still in the cards, but I think we'll get a hell of a bounce there, unless we come down to that 10.2 range and do a stop hunt here. But still looking pretty good. If I see any big changes, I'll jump in the Discord and try to let everyone know. But again, my stops are at 10,100, so to be transparent. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Don't forget to click the thumbs up. Have a great night, and I will see you in the morning. I'll be making the video in the morning. Like I said, if I see anything weird, if I happen to catch it, we are having a cookout, so if I do happen to catch it, I will throw it, throw something into the Discord, and if I see something weird. So again, appreciate you guys stopping by. Don't forget to check out the affiliate links below the video, and I'll see you in the morning. Take it easy. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I really appreciate it.